bring us to the deliver us from evil. Drink, Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Before you take your seat, please check the alignment of your chair and kindly pick up those 6 pieces of paper underneath. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Last time we discussed about fact and opinion. Okay, class, differentiate fact from opinion. Yes, Nicole.
Fact is a statement that can be proven with evidence, while opinion is a statement that cannot be proven objectively through argument.
Okay, repeat. Roda Lucero.
Fact is a statement that can be proven through objective evidence, while opinion is a statement that cannot be objectively proven through argument.
Okay, thank you. Give some examples of fact.
Fact, Regine Velasquez is the Asian songbird.
Very good. Roda Lucero.
Nani Bisalucha is the Asian nightingale.
Very good. Now give some examples of opinion. Nicole.
Ferdinand Marcos was the best president for us.
Very good. Michelle Maino.
George Bush was a brave leader.
Okay, nice example. Today we will discuss about we will move on to our next lesson. Are you familiar with the TV shows and radio programs?
Yes, ma'am.
What? Tell us your favorite TV commercial and what can you say about it? Rather than that.
My favorite TV commercial is Ivory. Ang gaan, no feeling.
Why is it?
Because it's very interesting and fun.
Thank you. Michelle Maino.
My favorite TV commercial is it's more fun in the Philippines because it shows the different tourist spots in the Philippines.
Very good. Nicole.
The pictures
What is it?
because there it's fine so enjoy and very funny.
Thank you. Class, did you ever heard a radio commercial and or announcing a specific radio program? Tell whether it is fact or opinion. Kindly give some examples. Roda Lucero.
The announcement in the BZMM about the launching of the rocket of the North Korea. It is fact.
Fact. Mr. Shelmaino.
I'm not listening to the radio, ma'am.
Nicole.
Me too.
There's no radio. I have an activity. You will choose the word that makes the sentence bias. Kindly create the direction.
Direction. Choose the word that makes the sentence biased. Answer orange.
Number 1. Roda Lucero.
My third paper is the CBET Pilas Subsequent to Mrs. Montana.
Kindly comment from. Number 2. Goal.
Daily the secret to the administration? The answer is revealed.
Let's check if your answer are correct. My term paper is the best Bila submitted to Mrs. Montana. The answer is best. Correct. David is vice spender. Correct. Don't let big billboards confuse you. Correct. The student submitted his test paper early. Correct. Nicole revealed the organization's secret to the administration. Correct. All of your answers are correct. Class, what is propaganda technique? Roda Lucero.
Propaganda technique is a way of endorsing something. For example,
Kindly repeat, Miss Nicole.
propaganda technique is a method or a way wherein they can endorse something.
Okay. Propaganda technique is a scheme or a way of endorsing a particular thing. Examples are glittering generalities, name calling, testimonial, bandwagon, transfer, the plain focus. I have some exercises. Kindly read the direction.
Identify the propaganda technique used in the following items.
Answer it thoroughly. Miss Roda Lucero, number 1.
Be good and be free. Dial 1 to 3 for capacity only for flower delivery. I think the answer is glittering generalities because parang may spark on the tail.
Okay, very good. Number 2. Nicole.
Nest of adventure, friendship skill. Again, I think that is glittering generalities.
Very good. Number 3. Michelle Mainot.
Career driving pleasure. BMW Batangas. The propaganda technique used is bandwagon.
That is correct also. Number 4. Nicole.
Megastar in Casey Concepcion, introducing the pamphlet, making the testimonial. It involves the celebrities.
Okay. Number 5. Roda Lucero.
Put a twist to your summer vacation. Start it with the peace transfer.
Okay. All the answers are correct. Let's try again. Please prepare one whole sheet of paper and answer. You have 5 minutes to answer. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Please answer number 1. Nicole.
Vote the right man for the Congress. Vote C-50. A. Testimonial. B. Name calling. C. Transfer. D. Glittering General. D. Glittering General.
Register. Number 2.
Proof that the French have good taste in beef. A. Name calling. B. Bandrigon. C. Glittering generalities. Or D. Testimonial. Answer is letter C. Glittering generalities.
Number 3. Roda Lucero.
Buying my Star Rex was one of the best pictures I made by Richard Yapko. Alphabet testimony.
Number 4. Nicole.
Amoy baby, just a glittering generalities. May testimonial. King magandang A. Glittering generalities.
Number 5. Roda Lucero.
Art insurance. Fair video for life. Answer A. Testimony.
Did your answers are all correct?
Yes.
Who got 5? 4. 3. 2. 1. Very good. You are perfect. Please get your assignment notebook and copy.
And what is propaganda tactics? What do you mean by that?
Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, class.
Goodbye.